Hi guys, welcome back to another video of mine. So I saw this beautiful style on Gabrielle Union and I wanted to attempt it on myself. I thought the style made her look really young and just really well put together, and it was closer to an African Caribbean hairstyle because the hair was kinky and it had a halo braid going all around. So I wanted to attempt it on myself. I start off by parting my hair from ear to ear, and then I'm just sectioning the front section out of the way. And prior to this, I shampooed, conditioned, deep conditioned, and did the LCO method to make sure my hair was nice and moisturized underneath the protective hairstyle. I always use a small bit of braiding hair whenever I'm doing a sew-in because I believe it makes my braids more, or my cornrows, more sturdy and more long-lasting. And it offers a little bit of protection too, because the thread and needle is not, and the pressure of the weft is not only going on your hair only. And now I'm just going in with my DIY oil mixture, and I always make sure that my scalp is moisturized underneath my protective styles also. And this is 100% human hair, and the brand is called Adorable, and it's the new Yaki Gold Weave in 14 inches color 1B. I did cut the weft and I did not seal the weft, and as a result the hair shed like crazy. It was shedding every single day. So I think in future, if I try to buy store-bought hair once again and decide to cut the weft, I have to seal the wefts afterwards. If not, I simply won't buy store-bought hair. And as I stitch my hair, I'm using the blanket stitch method. I believe this is the more securest method that there is when you're doing a sew-in. And at this point, I'm just closing up the last part of the sew-in at the back. I'm just using a bit. I use some jam to slick down my edges. And a medium bristle brush. And now I'm going to attempt the halo braid on myself. Feeding in the hair little by little. I start with a small piece and then gradually the pieces of hairs get bigger. And because I'm gonna wrap the braid around my head, I extend the braid by adding pieces of the expressions here at the end of the cornrow. And all I've done is just wrap it around. After completing the plait, wrap it around my head and sew it down so it's nice and secure. And this is the end results. I wasn't a big fan of the hairstyle simply because I need more practice with the halo braid on myself. So I didn't take any fancy pictures. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!